Pianoinsitu, welcome to another wonderful tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to take your worship to the next level. Now, most of us only play worship with the grand piano or with some other voice, but there's an easy way to make your worship sound superb even if you are using a low budget keyboard like mine. Yep. So, to do that, you need what is called a dual voice. Now, when you press the dual voice while playing with the grand piano, the default is strings, and it sounds okay, not bad, but take that to the next level. Look for the voice called the soft pad. Now in my keyboard, the soft pad is in around 602, so you check around that area in your keyboard. If you're using my type of keyboard, Yamaha PSR E series, yep. So soft pad, when you're in the soft pad, change the voice setting, go to the dual voice setting, change the attack, increase the attack, increase the volume of the soft pad to about 70. When you increase the attack, it doesn't come immediately when you press the key. Now my soft pad is on, but you are hearing only the grand piano because I'm not holding on the key. But if I hold on the key, the soft pad starts coming in gradually. Now if you listen carefully, you hear the soft pad behind with the fluctuating sound. Now the soft pad sounds better than the strings. You get that? So next, moving on, don't play only chords. Don't play too many, don't play too much. Just one touch at a time when you're playing the worship. Bring down the worship atmosphere. Make that atmosphere a worship atmosphere. Bring down the Spirit of God. So play some things, play an intro or something. Give the singer an environment to sing. So don't just start with no. Make the environment a worship environment. You play something like this. Don't forget, I'm with my sustain pedal on my leg. So you control your play with your sustain pedal. So I'm holding down my sustain pedal. So you play something like this. Now that's an intro to a song. If you know the song, comment the song in the comment section below. Alright, so that's a way of bringing that atmosphere, that worship atmosphere. Something you can also do is to play something like this. Okay, let's see. You are Jehovah. You are Jehovah. You are the mighty man in battle. You are. So just simple chords with touching here and there, it gives you that atmosphere, that worship atmosphere. Now another thing you can do if your keyboard is capable of doing that is once in a while you throw in the DSP effect. My keyboard, there's what is called the DSP, so let me look for it. If I press on the DSP setting, yep, okay, I changed my DSP to rotary. So after playing for some time, like you are Jehovah, and then you can just sometimes you throw in the DSP, so it sounds like this. You are Jehovah. You are the man in battle. You are Jehovah. So you get that. So you can throw in that DSP effect. There are a lot of things you can do. You can also press the harmony button and change the harmony type to whatever you want to do. So don't be caved in with the grand piano strings. You can also change the main voice from the grand piano to honky tonky. You can change it to MIDI grand piano. They all sound superb. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop your comments, drop anything you want me to work on, any tutorial you want me to do, write it in the comment section below. Thank you.